Hi there, I'm Janie Marie. I'm doing some business things right now and I'm changing my life. I'm 61 years old. I'm a disabled vet. I'm a grandmother taking care of grandkids that I never intended to do. I am taking care of a spouse who is right now definitely disabled. Life has changed. But you know what I'm doing? I'm doing digital marketing. Lots of digital marketing. Actually, I have 9 streams of income right now and I'm having a great time with it. I'm doing legacy builders. I'm doing mastering online profit. I'm doing live good. And I'm doing some others. I'm not going to share those right now. But I'm having a good time, needless to say. I'm about to get my stand store put up where people can access what I'm doing from the stand store. And I'm doing these YouTube videos. This is a new thing for me. I'm learning YouTube. 61 years old, learning new skills. It is incredible. I wanted to talk to you a little bit. I'm like, you know what? Maybe there's something that I could share with you. Maybe you could just go to my website, check it out, see what you think. Because why am I doing it? I'm doing it because, first of all, I didn't know I'd be raising grandkids, and I wasn't really planning on that. So income things changed, housing requirements changed, vehicle requirements changed. So all of that takes money. And so I didn't have enough. And I'm just trying to figure it all out. But I'm having a really great time learning new skills. I'm having a really great time learning how to do something like this. Get out of my comfort zone, get out of my own way, and see what I could make happen. If you think that you might need to get out of your own way and do something different, if maybe you want to dream big like I'm doing, maybe you can change things for your future too. Because the whole world's going digital. Everything seems to be going digital. We know that the 9 to 5 grind doesn't work. And let's face it, I'm 61. I'm kind of trapped here with this 4-year old who's special needs all the time. It's not like I can go out and get a 9 to 5 job. And will that 9 to 5 job pay me enough to pay my mortgage or to pay for my car insurance or all the other things that I have to pay for? It certainly won't pay enough for daycare, right? Especially for a special needs child. So here I am learning new skills. I know a lot of you who might see this video might also be in a situation where you think, hey, you know what? What if I live 20 more years? What if I live 30 more years? Do I have enough money for retirement? Where does that burden end up lying? Who gets that? Who gets to do that? Right? So if these skills that I'm learning now can change my life and they can help somebody else, I'm all for it. I'm just 100% all in. With Legacy Builders, that was that was my first program, right? I went all in. $929, I believe it was. I went all in, right? It's 100% profit. It's daily, daily pay. It's 100% master resale rights. But what is it? It's an education. It's a digital marketing education that allows me a platform that's fully automated, right? I mean, it's an amazing system that is just its model alone is educating me on how I can do things when I finish my books and get my books out there, because I'm working on 2 books, 2 really important books as far as I'm concerned. Um, so there's that one, right? Then there's Mastering Online Profit. Well, what is Mastering Online Profit? Today it's $397 to get all in. It's an 80% affiliate. 80%. So it's not a bad deal, right? Out of 397, I think I get like 317. Not a bad deal at all, right? Well, what does that do though? What is Mastering Online Profit? It's a program that teaches you how to optimize and monetize all of your content. It teaches you how to engage with all of these different platforms, right? It doesn't matter if you're on YouTube or Facebook or any of the other platforms. It teaches you how to do all that. It teaches you how to monetize your brand, how to create your brand, how to be your own, how to sell yourself, basically. And it doesn't matter if you have a brick and mortar, if you have a taco stand somewhere, a hot dog stand, a big shoe store, whatever it is you have, it teaches you how to market all of that stuff online. Because let's face it, folks, everything's online these days. right? Then there's Live Good. Live Good's $50 to go all in. Come on. It is a $9.95 subscription, but it pays you back. You don't have to buy any product. You don't have to keep any product on hand. You don't have to engage with their product at all. All you have to do is pay your $9.95 a month, and you will, at some point, if you don't ever work it and nobody else gets signed up, it's a multi-level marketing. You don't sign anybody else up, and you just keep it, and you hold your spot for $9.95. In a couple of years, you'll have a continuously rolling income, right? I've been in for a little over a week and already made like $179. Cool. Because they give half, if not more, all of their fees back to the people. It is the most brilliant multi-level marketing system I've ever seen, and it's literally only $49 to get involved, right? Actually, that's probably wrong. It's $40 to sign up one time forever, as long as you maintain that $9.95 a month fee. Now, you've got a membership with Netflix or with Sam's or Costco. It doesn't pay you back. My Disney Channel doesn't pay me back. Nobody's paying me back, right? So I'm investing in this, and I'm investing for my family. So, and I guarantee you, I can't explain any of them better than the videos can. But if you go to igotpaidtoday.com and just put in your email, I could start conversing with you. You can get the free information on legacy builders, and then we could move along from there, right? You're interested in one of these others, just put a comment in there. Say, hey, Janie, tell me all about it. I'm interested, right? That other one that I'm not sharing yet, that's a really good one. So we'll talk about that one later. But for now, just know I'm Janie Marie. I'm doing all these digital marketing things. I have 9 streams of income, and I'm making it happen. Making it happen for me, making it happen for my family. And I'm willing to be there, involved. And there's communities. That's the other thing. There are communities attached to all of these. So there's plenty of support, plenty of education. It's an exciting new world, folks. If you want to join me, then join me. If you join my team, we will be more engaged on a weekly basis. It's going to be amazing. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, and I'm right here on YouTube. So, hey, I'm Janie Marie. Approve this message. Peace out and live a blessed life. Thank you.